I've been nicked again by CID, undercover cops and 20 riot police. I've been nicked again, much to my frustration. I got legal aid and a host of allegations. It wasn't me and the fuckers don't believe it. I've been nicked 12 times in the space of only minutes. I refused to speak and they dropped most of the charges. I was so overjoyed I drank 17 Bacardis. Somebody's trying to stir the shit. It was someone else and not me what done it. I've been nicked again, but it's all just police harassment, and I don't know why they think I'm such a bastard. I was fitted up when I was minding me own business, and it's not my fault. I was probably completely pissed. I'll have to go, it's closing time, I'm getting late. I haven't got a drink problem, and of course I don't exaggerate. Nothing I do is the slightest bit illegal. I was up there in the Crown Court, getting found not guilty. I wrote to my MP to see if he could help me. He was temporarily out of circulation in an open prison, off licence. I didn't ask him why, but I think he got the blame for making a mistake on his expenses claim. I got nicked again for breaching a court. I spend most of my time in the fucking police station. I'm on first name terms with all the local coppers. I might as well buy me own cell in the custody suite. I'm in there 7 days a week in the police station on some bullshit allegation. I would have thought they've got better things to do than acting on all that sad whinging from you. They've made the whole thing up. I was drinking myself stupid. Can't have been me, and now I'm getting prosecuted. Anything that happens, I'm not guilty. I'm innocent, and it was definitely not to do with me. I tried to win an argument. They didn't see my point of view, but I didn't start the trouble. And of course there wasn't any proof. Gave them some abuse, and I got a fucking caution. They said anything else and they'll have me in the nick. I said right then, arrest me, you fucking stupid bastards. And I got prosecuted for assaulting the police. But in the court on trial day they couldn't find the paperwork, so they had to drop the charges and send me on my way. You see, they've got me wrong, Your Honour. I'm not a troublemaker, it's a misunderstanding. Perhaps I overreacted. I'm a respectable citizen. Can I buy you a drink? I've been nicked again, it's a miscarriage of justice. It's not illegal really, it's not all that serious. They said pay a victim surcharge and make amends. I said certainly not, it wasn't me, it was them. I got 100 hours of community service, contempt of court and allegedly for being pissed. I had to sweep the floor in a shopping arcade. I drank a litre of gin that I thought was lemonade. I drank the lot in a 15-minute tea break, and when I sobered up I thought I was Michael Caine. Not a lot of coppers believed a word of that, and I got sectioned under the Mental Health Act. I've been nicked again, I've been nicked again. I'll run until the next time, no one can say when. I've been nicked again, I've been nicked again. Next time those fuckers press me up, they'll get their legs kicked in. I've been nicked again, it took 12 coppers to arrest me. I was so annoyed, I smashed my way out of the riot van. The custody sergeant said no further action. I knew it all along, there was no way they could get me. I'll be suing the bookers for compensation. See, there's profit to be made from civil litigation. A mate who's an inspector said it's all a farce. I'll be in breach of bail just for wiping me ass. It's not my fault, I was socially excluded. I'll do what I like, whenever I like. All I do is play the system and get bailed until the next time. No shit will ever stick on me. They're always trying to me into trouble. It must have been the other three. I've arranged an alibi, there's no paper trail. Intimidate the witnesses, they won't get me in jail. But worry you not, I'll make my excuses. Am I going to prison? Am I fuckers like? It was no to do with me, a bunch of fucking divvy bastards. If you think you've got some evidence, I think you'll find you haven't. You should have listened when I said don't give me aggravation. I'll be going down the pub and have a massive celebration. And if I'm really off my head from drinking several vodkas, something twat will grab the phone and call the fucking coppers. I really couldn't give a shit if I'm completely honest. But I'll swear black's white and lie and then deny all bloody knowledge. I'm quite a seasoned player at this perjury lark, but I'll probably get evicted and end up sleeping in the park. Or I could pretend to be quite nice and join the council waiting list, but I won't be able to pay the rent and finance all this game piss. It's quite a big dilemma and I can't afford to buy a place, cause I left my job so I could be a full-time fucking waste of space. Waste of space. I've been nicked again, I've been nicked again. How long until the next time? No one can say when. I've been nicked again, I've been nicked again. Next time those fuckers grasp me up, they'll get their heads kicked in. Waste of space. Waste of space. Waste of space. Waste of space. I've been nicked again, I've been nicked again. How long until the next time? No one can say when. I've been nicked again, I've been nicked again. Next time those fuckers grasp me up, they'll get their heads kicked in.
Despite your attempts at twisting reality and the alcohol-induced fantasy in which you appear to believe you can do no wrong, the jury have found you guilty of all charges. Your disregard for the law and attitude that you could get away with anything might have had comedy value were it not for the seriousness of the offences. You have been a thorn in the flesh of British justice for some considerable time. People like you, what is wrong with this country? You will go to prison for 15 years with a recommendation that you serve at least 2/3 of your sentence. Now get that idiot out of my courtroom.